Where'd Kaylee go? Where'd Kaylee go? I can't see her. Is she over here? Is she over here? There she is. Hey, don't mess up my bed.
What?
Ah. Kaylee, stop messing up my bed. I just made that. Hey, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Make my bed now. I'll give you $1 to make my bed.
Huh?
I'll give you $1 to make my bed. Ow! You're horrible at that.